Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Moneylion's credit monitoring and reporting tool. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing we're going to talk about is accessing credit monitoring tools. Now, how you're going to do that is to find the Moneylion app on your mobile device and just open that up, and then you want to sign into your account, and then you want to navigate to the credit section of the app. Now, when it comes to credit scores and reports, you can always just view your credit scores, so you can check your current credit scores and track changes over time. You could also view your credit reports. You could access your full credit report, including payment history, credit utilization, and inquiries. And you could also identify errors or inadequacies, so you could just review your report for errors or inadequacies, and you can dispute them if necessary. Now, when it comes to credit monitoring alerts, you can always just set up credit monitoring alerts. You can enable alerts for changes to your credit report, such as new accounts, inquiries, or late payments. You can also receive alerts via email or push notifications, so you can get notified of changes to your credit reports through email or push notifications. Now, when it comes to credit tools and resources, there are a couple of credit tools and resources available from Moneylion. The first, of course, is the credit simulator. So you can use the credit simulator to see how different credit actions may affect your credit scores. The second, of course, is the credit education resource. So you can access educational resources such as articles, videos, and webinars to learn more about credits and personal finance. And of course, you have credit counseling, so you can get personalized credit counseling and advice from Moneylion's credit experts. So you can always just make use of these credit tools and resources. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.